Okay, last video, hopefully I promise. So this last video is going to be about permutations. Permutations is really just putting different orders of mallets together. So this is what he's talking about when we're going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Speaking of, your mallets left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hand is 1 and 2, right hand is 3 and 4, insides are 2 and 3, outsides are 1 and 4. I should have explained that earlier. So this is like what we're saying when we're taking like London Bridge and we're doing the block chords, that's the double verticals. And then he says to do a permutation, let's say 1, 3, 2, 4. That's called a permutation. It's just changing the order of the mallets. A lot of the time it's going to be single alternating strokes, especially as slow as we've been going in warm-ups recently. But at some point you may get into like the permutation 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you get fast enough, it's going to feel like double laterals. But don't worry about that right now. I'm just going to go through like some of the more common ones. That way you can kind of have some in mind when you're practicing. You can make any number of combinations. I'm sure somebody could do the math on how many possible combinations there are, but we're going to keep it pretty simple right now. So first one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? The next one, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Our next one is going to be, this is when we did earlier in 7/8, when we were doing, I know that's not the chord for 7/8. It's okay, promise. But when we were splitting it earlier, we were doing 1, 4, 2, 3. It's the same subdivision, like motion, as when we were doing it just sorry, my brain is fried. The out, in, out, in, out, in, but we're just splitting the hands. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay? Right? Okay? So I wouldn't worry about playing it in 7/8 right now. Just 1, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3. And really focus on bringing your mallets back up to the same height. That was wrong. Okay? Another pretty common one is going to be 1, sorry, I'm not going to play while I'm talking. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. That one's pretty common. We see it pretty often in music. If you want a fun one, this is one that the marimbas have in Livin' La Vida Loca. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. I have an exercise that I can give you guys I'll play through it really slowly right here. But basically, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 for 4 beats, and then you'll go 2, 3, 4, 1 for 4 beats, 3, 4, 1, 2 for 4 beats, and then 4, 1, 2, 3 for 4 beats. Okay? So that's gonna sound like this. Okay? That one does take a little more thinking. It's kind of just to get you used to switching permutations in the middle of an exercise. The second part of that is going back down the scale, or back down the permutation. So you'll have 4, 3, 2, 1 for 4 bars, 3, 2, 1, 4 for 4 bars, 2, 1, 4, 3 for 4 bars, and 1, 4, 3, 2 for 4 bars. So, if you put that exercise together, it's going to sound like this. I'm going to go a little bit faster. Feel free to slow down this video. That's perfectly fine. So if you want that written out, I can try to find the sheet music for it. I have it somewhere, but it might be back home. That's all I'm going to talk about right now. Feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. And I'm also happy to do one-on-one time, or both multiple people at a time. I don't really care. Just let me know what time works for you if you wanted to do that. And then if you want other exercises, I'll be happy to find some for you. Just let me know if this helps.